get the cops called by the neighbors.
What up, Matwire fan? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matwire. I own a 2017 BMW 340i. If you guys have been following my channel, you'll know that I cracked my front lip. Dang! So I have been in the market for a new one. So I ended up actually getting really lucky. I got this one. It's not the same style as my old one, as you guys can see right here. This new lip is gonna actually come up and cover this white portion. So I was scrolling through Facebook Marketplace and I saw this one on sale. This dude was selling it. He was asking for 300. A couple weeks later, he didn't sell it. He hit me back up. He's like, hey, I'll give it to you for 200. He was parting it out, getting rid of some parts. So I took his front lip. Now this lip is from AA Concepts, but brand new, this lip will run you $400 plus shipping. And like I said, I snagged it for 200. Now that's a bargain. Now don't get me wrong, I loved my old lip, but I just ended up getting a really good deal on this one. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall this old lip that's been on my car, cracked for the longest time. And then we're gonna install the new one. I had to put on a hat for the first time in Las Vegas. Man, it is cold as hell. You from Las Vegas? Or you currently live in Las Vegas? Sound off in the comments, let me know. But just like that, let's go ahead and get this old lip off. Now that the old lip is off, we're gonna go ahead and get this new one on, and I'm so excited. Real quick, I'm just gonna do a little test fit for y'all, just to see what it's gonna look like, you know? Dang! Now, I'm not gonna say that I like it better than the old one, but I might like it better than the old one. But no, in all seriousness, it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some 3M tape on this bad boy. Now I'm gonna throw some self-tapping screws in there. I'm not gonna go too in depth on like the DIY. If you guys wanna see a more in-depth version, you guys can check out my last video when I installed the other lip, and I'll go ahead and leave that right here. But for right now, let's get it.
I don't think that's gonna do it, buddy. I don't think that's gonna do it either, buddy. Now that might actually do it.
Too easy. I already went ahead and put it on. Did the 3M tape, self-tapping screws. I self-tapped the f out of this. This lip shouldn't be going anywhere. Just like my old one. My old one, I would scrape all the time and it would never go anywhere. Pretty much, if this lip goes somewhere, my whole bumper is going with it. But yeah, pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car and we'll check out how it looks. I also did want to mention, I couldn't find my other jack stand, so I just went ahead and used the jack, since the car was only suspended in there for probably about 10 minutes during this install. So please, do as I say and not as I do. And just know that if you do that, you are running the risk of the jack failing and your car falling on you. That's it.
Excuse my messy car. My car is not clean. But y'all correct me if I'm wrong now. That B looks really good. Oh yeah.
So like I said, y'all, I think it looks really good. Obviously it's dark outside right now, but tomorrow I'll go ahead and take her out and get some shots so you guys can see exactly how it looks in the daylight. And it is the following weekend and I finally was able to get the BMW out. So let's go ahead and check out how this front lip is looking. There you guys have it. I just showed you guys the new lip. It looks super good in my opinion. It's actually starting to grow on me. I think I actually might like this one better than the last. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think about it. If you guys have any questions BMW related or just any questions at all, you guys can always hit me up on my Instagram at Matwire. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video or it helped you out in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And just like that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way. Later on she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gain weight. I wish that I